Hey creative homes, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be sharing a tutorial of how to export images for your website using Adobe Photoshop. That makes it better for the site performance, SEO and all stuff. So let's begin. Okay, first let's look at the photo. This is a photo that we are going to use, and as you can see it's 15 MB in size because it's from a proper DSLR camera, and having a 15 MB photo on your website is very impractical unless you are a photographer. Even in that case, it's better to host it through third-party sites instead of putting it directly on your website. It's because it makes the web page extremely heavy, which increases the loading time a lot, which damages the user experience, and user experience is very important. So let's go through quickly why we need to export images properly for your website. Firstly would be speed. If you reduce it to a compressed format without hurting the quality a lot, then you are not exactly losing quality, but you're increasing the site speed a lot, which contributes to the user experience. If your site is taking too much time to load, a huge chunk of the audience will simply just quit the site instead of waiting, which is a lot of lost leads. And secondly is SEO, how you're naming the file, how you're attaching the alt text to it, and the links that in particular image is forming can determine how well your image individually performs on the search engines, which is search engine optimization, which is a full form of SEO. And images performing good on search engine helps your site to perform good in the search engine as well, because they're part of each other. And let's begin the process. Let's start by bringing in the 15 MB image onto Photoshop. You need to export in some proper sizes, which is web friendly, and the one I'm using is 1200 pixel into 1600 pixel. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the dimension. Now you cannot simply save the image, because if you simply save the image to Photoshop, to general view, it won't reduce the size a lot. Can I give you an example? Say it's giving you a 12 megapixel size, and if you reduce the quality a lot, then that is reducing the quality a lot. And even if it's putting it as low as 1 is giving you a 300 plus KB, which is not good enough. Ideally you should keep your images under the 200 KB mark. Now the proper way to do that would be through the export for web option, which is export save for web. The shortcut is Option Shift Command S for Mac and Alt Shift Control S for Windows. Let's go here, and here you will get a lot of presets to work with. You get these all the options, and since it's a JPEG, let's go with JPEG. And here you can see the sizes reduced down to under 800 KB, and when we adjust the quality here, it's quickly dropping a lot, and you can see in the view file it's not that bad for something that is being reduced to under 200 KB. And let's save. While doing so, let's name the image. It's straight down to 300 KB. Now let's move on to the next part, which is adding it to here. Now this is the image that we want to change. And another good trick is including the link of your page which will be mainly associated with the image. Let's copy it. That way, when someone finds the image on a search engine and clicks on it, it jumps to the website more easily and the more specific page of the website, not just the file. Now once the image is loaded and processed, you will get a lot of options on your panel. One of them would be a linked URL which would be attached to the image. Let's paste the page link. Wait for it to save. Now adds an alt text which will be caught by the search engine. Since we have the image ready for the page, let us also update the feature image which you can get on the page block in WordPress. Scroll down a bit, you get the feature image, click on it, video library. Images, you'll find it's catching up all sorts of our images. Well, that was all. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. I hope you will find this helpful, and if you do subscribe to the channel for more, and do check out our website where you will find a lot of helpful resources that you can use, or you can start a project, whichever it is. And thanks again for watching. Keep creating to stay above the crowd, and hope to see you in the next tutorial. Till then.